Valuechain is a software company that focuses on developing and implementing digital solutions for manufacturing companies up and down the supply chain to improve productivity. That's what we're dedicated to. Well, there's a lot of buzz about Industry 4.0 and a lot of buzzwords go with that excitement. And we want to demystify that, we want to simplify it, make it accessible. There is real value behind the buzzwords in interconnectivity, ubiquitous networks, and we want to bring straightforward, simple digital solutions to manufacturing companies to allow them to improve their productivity, which is all part of Industry 4.0. Very much so. We're very approachable. We like to use straightforward language. We are absolutely focused on improving productivity. That's our raison d'etre. That's what we're here for. And we're keen on giving productivity improvements within months of deploying our solution. So returns on investment from the first month, at the very worst case for the bigger solutions, within 3 months. So returns on investment nearly immediately through deploying Valuechain solutions. Very much so, very much so. So we are very proud to have our solutions currently in production use with the likes of Bentley Motor Cars and with Airbus, but also right up and down the supply chain. So whether that's a supplier portal solution to improve collaboration with your suppliers, or whether it's a process control solution to manage your how productive your machines are in your workshop, all the way down to data collection tools which can be adopted by a couple of people working together in their garage. So we have solutions and price points which can accommodate digitization for productivity improvement up and down the supply chain. Well, we love these shows, coming to meet our customers and our prospects, being able to explain what we're doing and how we're pushing forward with our solutions to improve productivity. It's just a great place to meet. We get to see what advances are being made in the industry as well, and we get to talk about the challenges, and we share visions of the future.